waiting for the bear. Hey guys, what's going on? The Brownie Bear here, and today we are playing Will You Press the Button.com mobile version. Okay, let's waste no more time and get started on the first question. You would have Brian Bless. What? No, I've already read that some. So you can speak every language, but you can't go to other countries. Boosh, I guess. You can be the first person to cure cancer, but you would die of an incurable cancer yourself. No. World hunger, war, racism, sexism, xenophobia, homophobia, and all prejudice are What? No. You have the ability to read anyone's mind, and if they do, they... Whoop. I dropped it. I've seen this before, but... Yeah, that would become... Wait. Hold on. If they read my mind, seeing that I'm reading their mind, then wouldn't they be reading their own mind? No downside. Nope. You get to escape to your wild fantasy. Nope. You get to destroy what is Toontown? And everyone plays it again. Oh. Oh, it's a game. I don't even know. I don't know. Hold on. I pressed it because IQ is just a story. I don't know. Use intelligence. Oh! I'm gonna have the ability to play Toontown again. But when I say again, I mean play. You become God amongst the mere mortals. You must take every veil. Nope. If you press a button, you will get a powerful computer with unlimited access to the internet. It only runs in Windows 8 and you can only use Internet Explorer. Boosh. It's a powerful computer. It'll go fast. Loophole. I don't even know who these two people are. Who those two people are. BTW, I finished the 6th book of Harry Potter and mind blown. Whoop, whoop. Spoilers for the 6th book ahead. Okay. So, Dumbledore dies. Why? I'm talking about Dumbledore, not the question. I saw You Can't Read. Nope. Dumbledore dies. It's a fake Horcrux, but someone else already took it. RAB already took it. Rats and bats took the Horcrux. Killed them rats and killed them bats. Gonna a hamburger out of thin air every time you clap. You gain 1 pound of weight every time you clap. Oh. We'll make free hamburgers. Be like, you want a hamburger business? You want a hamburger? I gain 1 pound. Here's your hamburger. And then I use the money that I get to buy exercise stuff. Boop. You're treated as a god by a loyal army of fans. You have to go home every night and it makes you feel like... So basically YouTube. Basically YouTube, but without the... What? What? Hold on. I see that cat. What the? Cat's saying... Oh my gosh, look at that cat for a second. That dinosaur thing, that's weird. Those cars, that's hilarious. The Bench and Murray of Leonard Bell who hated fat. That's hilarious. Okay. You get to live forever, but you have to spend it to committing crime. No thank you. Gain the power to change reality, become a superhero or emperor, remake the world as you see it fit. No thanks. Lose everything you had. No. I don't even need to see the butt to say no to that. You can have a perfect smile, but your teeth hurt all the time. No thanks. Whoop. Hope that doesn't become the thumbnail. It's loading. Crap, get to the Wi-Fi! Get to the Wi-Fi! TV's on, if you can hear it. Oh, shoot. What was it? You gain all the knowledge of the internet, but... What? What? You turn invisible and back again at will. You die on your 60th birthday, provided that you made it that far. Okay, sorry about that. 60th is... No thanks. You want a fabulous mansion. Talented in the ghost of your... Downside for me, there is none. I'm an only child. Luigi's Mansion explosion in 2 seconds. Exactly. What? You take a pill that gives you all the powers and abilities of Superman without any downsides. No downside. You can think of a good joke instantly in seconds. Jason, that's hilarious. One time it would all come back to press you. Oh, someone said dentures. Yeah. Better smile for me. And I'm hilarious. Nope. Oh my goodness. I went to Great Wolf Lodge this summer. That was fun. Some of you watching this might have saw me. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here because it is loading. Anyway, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more, leave a like. So if you want to see more, leave a like, basically. I'm trying to change my outro. And I hope I will see you in my next video. Until then, adios.